And so today I am red, as you can see. Is this red? Whatever. Anyways, so today, since I'm red, I'm getting red vibes, like always. So, red slime is red vibe since it's red. Now, look at that. It's shiny. You can hear that, can't you? Look at it, and you can see it's like a little circle. Look, you see that? It's like a little circle. See? It's a circle. It's like a square circle. Now look at this slime. Ooh. Stretch. Look how far it's stretching. And let me stretch it more. Look how thin that is. Oh. Oof. Look at that slime. ASMR. This red slime is. It's so fun actually. Now, let me just add the charms into it. Look, apple, and I don't know where the other one went. Lifty. Oh, there it is. Here, the cherry one is. Where's it? Mixy mix. Oh my god, I don't like mixing it with this. It's so frustrating. Oh my god. Oh. I can't do it. I need to take them out. I won't like those charms anymore. If I put them in slime, it ruins it. But let me try to make something out of it. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Oh yeah, over here. We just do a little bit of that. And we do a little bit of this. And bam! There's nothing in it. I just rolled up to in circles and flattened it. And then I made patterns on it. Haha. That's how quick I am at getting patterns on it, guys. Oh, no. It's so far away. What the? Ways. No, Apple, you can't be here. This is not for you. You too. I don't want you to. And this is one that's not even supposed to be here. It's supposed to be in the science line. So, yeet. That's how far I can flip this. Ooh. Same for you, Apple. Sorry. Ooh, that went a bit slow, but meh. Now, time for Mega Slime Drop. Come on. And the red slime is the winner because there's no other slimes. So that basically makes red slime nothing because there's no other people competing. Yay! I'll come back here. Let me try to make those like puddings. You know, like those Japanese puddings, and like they put inside the bowl, and then like it's like just here, and then you've got the little flap. Like this part's like covered up with plastic, like up to here, and then there's like this little spike, and then you press it, and then you like peel the plastic part off, like not the plastic down here though, and you see the plastic down here, and then there's a little spike, and then like you just press the spike. No, actually the plastic layer is on here, and then the pudding just stays here, and then you're like this, and then you're like chung with the plastic spike, and then like the pudding goes down. I wanted to do that, but of course I can't, because this it's not flexible. Wee. I'm not even sure you can hear that, but still ASMR. Let's do some pokey pokey. Okay. Here's slime. And then we flatten it out right here. And now let's... Oh my god. Poke. Poke. Wee. Oops. Oh. Don't worry, iPad is okay. But slime's not. It has holes in it. Never mind. Let me now make actual holes in it. Ha, Savannah. Ha, Savannah. I only managed to make 2 holes. I'm not even sure that's a hole anyway. It's 1 hole since this part detaches. But don't worry, that won't happen. Okay, it did happen. Hit. Going. I'm stretching this slime all the way up, and I'm just wiggling it. Oh yeah, it's falling down, Alright. I'm gonna collect this slime up. The line went so thin though. Like it went super thin. Look at that. Let me just show you. Look, that thin. You see that? That's how thin it went. It went even thinner though, like a centimeter. No, not a centimeter. I don't even know what that is. An atom. Yeah, like the line of an atom. It probably was anyway. Close your eyes, people. Okay. Is there anything wrong with where you're seeing, guys? Is like anything happening or something? Is there anything anyway. It was a ball after all. I bet you didn't know that. Let's just add fun to it. Now I'm going to smush it all in. Yes, guys, it did happen. Look. You know my video I made yesterday? So like this red slime, yeah? This red slime was up to here before, but since I played with it and stitched it for such a long time, like it went way more smaller, just like the pink one. If you haven't seen the pink one, like the pink one's slime soul was sucked out. because I was playing and stretching with it. Anyways. No, this is not even ASMR. Oh, now we're gonna add it properly to its space. Dun, 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 dun. And done. Now lid. Oh, lid has got lost here. Oh, but it fell the other way. Whee. Lid. Ow. I thought it was going to be this way, but no. And we're going to put it on here and boom. It's slime here. Wait, isn't there something missing? Like, is there something missing? Or is it just this slime that's missing? Well, this flap's not missing because it's still there. I don't know what I'm missing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And comment down below if you know anything that I'm missing. Because I clearly do not know anything about what I'm missing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe because it's free and it helps me out a lot. And bye-bye. Oh, yeah, I forgot I had a case which doesn't cover things. Anyway, bye.